Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, we will look at how to use tags in Boma, including how to create, manage, and add them to create audience segments. You will then be able to send specific email newsletters and articles to those selected segments. First, let's explore how to create a new tag. Navigate to the Contacts menu. On the top of the page, click on Manage Tags. Here, you can create and delete tags. To create a new tag, click on New Tag. Now, give it a name. Let's say Directors. Once you are happy, click on Save. Now, if there are contacts associated with a tag, you can remove them from that tag by clicking on Remove Contacts. You will then be able to delete that tag by clicking on Delete Tag. Now, let's go back to the Contacts menu. Let's say you would like to add a tag to multiple contacts at once. You can do so by clicking the checkbox on each of the contact records, and then select Choose Action for Selected, and then Add Tag. You can then click this drop-down menu here and select the tag you would like to add to these contacts. If you start typing the tag and find that it hasn't been created, you will be able to create it on the fly by clicking on Create Tag and then the tag's name. If you click on a contact record itself, you will also be able to add tags to it by scrolling down to Tags and then adding the tags manually. Again, if the tag has not been created, you will have the ability to create it on the fly. If you would like to know more about tags, feel free to reach out to support@bomamarketing.com or use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much, and bye for now.